An older you appears with a worn paperback book. The perfect novel, you read it, you love it. Decades later, you copy it word for word and travel back. You hand it to your younger self. The Bootstrap paradox. Information that wrote itself. But who wrote it? You. You just copied what you received. Old you. They got it from older you. There's no first author. The information has no origin. The grandfather paradox is a contradiction. Bootstrap is a different beast, self-consistent, but uncaused. Nothing logically forbids it. The loop is closed. Each step follows from the last, but information appeared from nowhere. Compare to a chicken and an egg. Each comes from the other, but evolution gave a first. Bootstrap loops have no first. Physics doesn't strictly forbid them. Some interpretations of general relativity allow them. But where did the information come from? The honest answer, nowhere. It's just there. It's why time travel stories love it. It's also why physicists distrust it. An infinity that loops on itself with no start.